Nucypher is a cryptographic structure that gives a security and protection layer for decentralized applications and public blockchain networks. Nucypher empowers engineers to store, share, and oversee private information across numerous blockchains while allowing designers to delegate data across a few applications. Nucypher is an Ethereum-based network that includes a decentralized key administration framework, encryption, and access control administration that settle the issues of putting away and controlling data. The enterprises, for example, banking and medical services areas, that arrangement with an immense volume of subtleties influence the benefits of Nucypher security encryption frameworks. The Nucypher network was helped to establish by Michael Egorov and Maclane Wilkeson in 2015. The two fundamental innovation administrations given by Nucypher incorporate powerful access control and mystery the executives. Dynamic access control restrictively awards and repudiates admittance to delicate information. Those secret administration framework stores touchy data like passwords and confidential keys. This is accomplished with the assistance of Umbral and Ursula. Previous is the encryption plan of Nucypher, and later is an organization of working hubs. Umbral assists with keeping the information secretly and share it without gambling with its security. Here the proprietors will furnish unscrambling freedoms to the collectors with the assistance of intermediary hubs. This intermediary hub is called Ursula, which plays out the re-encryption for the beneficiaries. Ursula doesn't approach information, however they perform encryption by applying conditions. Ursula staked Nu to continue with network exercises and get recently mined tokens. How does the Nucypher arrange work? In the primary stage, a proprietor can encode information with the public key and transfer it to distributed appropriated record frameworks like IPFS, Multitude, or some other stockpiling layer to store and share content across decentralized networks. Proprietors need to make and transfer re-encryption keys to the Nucypher organization to appoint admittance to legitimate beneficiaries. In the subsequent stage, Ursula acknowledges the re-encryption keys in return for charges and block rewards. Ursula, an excavator, will rekey information. Neither the stockpiling layer nor Ursula approaches plain text. In the third stage, the beneficiary passes an entrance solicitation to the Nucypher organization. In the event that a legitimate re-encryption key exists, information will be rekeyed to the beneficiary's public key, and the beneficiary is permitted to resepulture it with the confidential key. Highlights of Nucypher organization. Nucypher was shaped to determine the issues of public key encryption frameworks, like the SSL, TLS in web applications, and why Cypher is turning into an unavoidable piece of decentralized applications. Nucypher convention mostly includes three significant components. First and foremost, staker hubs wherein Nu can be secured in the marking escrow for a term. The locking of Nu will create two kinds of remunerations: expansion reward Nu and strategy reward ETH. Furthermore, the labor hub called Ursula helps hold cryptographic activities. At long last, Umbral intermediary re-encryption, a key encryption type, gives access control to circulated conventions. Together the organization jam data from assaults and spamming. Nucypher specialized investigation. The verifiable value outline of Nucypher is fascinating. Nucypher took off essentially on October 15, 2021, on the event of the main commemoration of the coin. The consolidation news from the group supported the flood. The white paper of Nucypher was distributed in 2017, and the token began exchanging 2020. After the Nu cost flood, the market valuation of the coin climbed multiple billion USD, and it was a similar period altcoin market cap contacted around $2 billion. Moreover, after this Nucypher cost made a spike, the interest for Nu coins in the digital money market expanded. Financial backers are pondering the purpose for the Nucypher cryptographic money rush. The Nu cost activity had occurred around the same time when the coin was recorded with Upbit, one of the popular cryptographic money trades in Korea. Nucypher cost today is exchanging at 48 cents with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $46,651,755.09. The market cap is $342,736,514.25, with a coursing supply of 703 million Nu. The everything time high is set apart at $3.58 on October 15, 2021. The untouched low is 6 cents, which was on NOV 2020. The ongoing cost is around 79%, not exactly the most exorbitant cost. And it is because of the selling strain after the unequaled high. Overflowing interest has gradually gone to a pullback in costs. The present cost and volume plunge contrasted with the earlier days. Specialized examination of Nucypher Nu shows that, following 1 year of sideways moves, Nu has out of nowhere soared and was moved by gigantic volume in October. The light's initial cost of Nucypher was 28 cents. and the end cost of Nucypher was $1.40, considerably more. October 2021 was the month when the BTC and altcoin market was extra strong, and the crypto market saw a gigantic market cap appreciation. Along these lines, many coins heightened to an unequaled high. Nucypher new cost uncovered a fading negative energy on the day-to-day diagram by making more promising low points. There is a plunging design in the pattern line, as displayed in the diagrams. Nucypher cost has stayed driven by regrettable feelings throughout the previous 2 months, debilitating the pattern. However, financial backers have trust for the coin's future. They haven't begun collecting the symbolic now because of the new cost sink. At the hour of composing, new exchanged on the turn. Prompt help is put at 44 cents. And any Nucypher cost drop from this might look for help at 42 cents. Underneath 42 cents, brokers can sell Nucypher and it will contact 39 cents. On the opposite side, close by obstruction is set at 55 cents. And there is an obstruction after that at 70 cents. The significant obstruction is set at 80 cents. According to our Nucypher figure, a drawn-out expansion in the worth is expected. The cost conjecture for the year 2027 recommends the worth may be around $1.99. Putting resources into new virtual monetary standards could turn out to be an extraordinary expansion to your portfolio. In a 5-year figure according to our examination and expectations, the most extreme cost is supposed to be $8.69 with a base exchanging esteem, and the typical exchanging cost to be roughly $7.14 and $7.35. It was a beneficial year for new holders who carried the token to its entrance stage. Nucypher is still in its beginning phases since it was sent off in 2020. Up to this point, the coin has given great revisitations of financial backers, and the future Nucypher conjecture is bullish. As we found in the specialized examination, in the event that Nucypher can break the opposition level, the cost won't fall according to the Nucypher cost estimate. How about we find more subtleties on Nucypher new cost expectation for the long haul to know how the costs are moving consistent? Nucypher value expectation 2022. New coin value expectation is expected to start at 80 cents. The future cost might tumble to 65 cents toward the finish of 2022. Subsequently, the typical cost is anticipated at 63 cents. Nucypher coin forecast 2023. Nucypher crypto cost forecast guess beginning at 70 cents. New value forecast is step-by-step going up and is supposed to hit 87 cents inside the principal quarter. Nucypher coin cost expectation predict an end at 74 cents continuously end. Nucypher value expectation 2024. Nucypher forecasts are expected to open at 85 cents and proceed with the earlier year's pattern. The year's underlying half might show a delayed vertical development and is supposed to cross $1.05 by the main half. The cost will again tumble to 73 cents toward the finish of 2024. Nucypher value forecast 2025. New crypto cost forecast predicts a beginning at $1.09. The greatest cost anticipated for 2025 is $1.18. Through and through, Nucypher digital currency is a productive speculation for what's in store. Nucypher value forecast 2026. Examining the future cost of Nucypher for a 5-year timetable uncovers it has a long-haul procuring potential.